How to know Bitcoin have already hit the bottom? Will it go back to the previous bottom? Today, I will give you the strategy and insights from the chart, and also to teach you how to see the market structure and how to see this is the bottom of the market cycle. Welcome to ymchannel. This channel is about trading strategy and money mindset to help you to make more money. Hit like, subscribe, and share with your friend right now. So now today we're going to look at Bitcoin. You can use the same strategy for other stock as well, but today I'll focus on Bitcoin. So now we look at the YM cheapest. This is my exclusive indicator to tell you the funding movement. The red represent institution. The green represent individual lock chips. This is monthly chart. So this is for super long investor. This can tell us also the market cycle. Okay. So now we look at the green part. The green part, basically, when it's the highest with a lot of green, this is the bottom. It happened in 2015 around here, and also 2019 here, and the latest one, which is 2022 December, when we have a high volume of green chips. Basically, it's over 50. Okay, so this is the bottom. Why the bottom have so many green? Does it make sense? Yes. At that time, when it's bottom, usually it's a lot of green chips. And then the red after this point will come up. Okay, so this makes total sense. The other thing is I want to show you is, so this is 201, around 218 December here. This is the bottom. And here, you see here, when it's the highest green bar, basically it means the bottom. Okay, but it would take us some times before the big blue one. Okay, so you would take wave 1, wave 2 before the wave 3. Okay, so this is ILS wave theory. You can also use accumulation or the pull-up strategy also. So now after telling you how to see the bottom, how to confirm the bottom, I want you to look at the weekly chart here. So weekly chart, we go back to, and then you will see the pattern. So go back to 215. So 215 around here. So you can see when they are with a lot of green, so we are building the market structure here. It's just like a rectangle box. So it's like up and down, up and down, up and down. And then we creating a structure here, a ceiling here, a trend line. Basically can go back to here, go back to 2013. And they touch for a few times even here. And then they go down, and then they go up, then down, then up, then down. Then finally they go up again. They will always, well, with the historical history, chart tell us they always come back down to this line to build another box here. Okay, so basically, for example, this is phase 1. The phase 2, the phase 1 top is always the phase 2 bottom. Let me repeat. The phase 1 top of this box is always the phase 2 bottom. You can see they always come back down to touch it. Go back up again. Is creating a triangle pattern or creating a rectangle pattern. And then this line basically create another market structure. Okay. And what happened is, this is the real wave 3, I would say wave 3, or I can use this market structure to explain you the markup thing. Okay. So basically, let me check here. So basically, if we look at here, this is accumulation, and this one we have the markup and distribution and markdown. The markup is like basically is wave 3 for Elliott's wave theory. Okay, you can see the phase 1 is up and down inside the box. Okay, so and then when the next phase come in, they will need to have a confirmation to touch again this line. Okay, this upper line of the period box, always like this. Okay, so it's quite good strategy, I would say. So this is a box. This is a box or a triangle. You have a trend line here. They touch back. This is 2015. Okay, now we go back to 2019, shall we? So again, we are building a market structure here, and boom, they come down. And it takes us some time to come back up. And this is a strong market structure as well, because this line can go back to here as well. Okay, can go back to 2 years ago. Same thing happened. Same thing happened. Exactly the same like 2015. They go all the way up. They have overbought signal. They come back down. They come back down. Basically, they even over the previous peak here with a long wick. Okay, they close below and they close, you see here, the long wick here. And then they come back down to this market structure, the top of the phase one, the box of this. So basically this line is the support when we are above, okay? When we below, we are the resistance. So easy. So now here, they are also building a market structure. Look at this here. You see? This line represent resistance line. So you see that you will battle for few times to get over it, to go through, to go above it, okay? And then they don't come back. They don't come back. So these two lines, you need to grab the chance. If you miss the bottom, if you don't know how to buy at the bottom, let's say if you don't have my indicator, you miss the first chance, then well, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, you will miss the second chance, basically, when they broke through this line. And then I've also, right now, what's going on now, I've mentioned in this channel, basically, when we break through, when we go above this line, I also give you a signal, say, hey, basically, we just go above this ceiling wall. So it means you will go up until the target price, okay? So exactly like this. They go up until the target price. But this is quite interesting because basically, as I say, the wick go above it. The wick go above it. So is it possible we are the same? Yes, it is possible. The last video I mentioned, we have many resistance at this point around here. Okay, but is it possible we have a long wick and come back down? Yes, but the long wick, I don't count it at all because the long wick, I cannot predict the long wick too much. Sometimes long wick is like a false signal as well. Okay, so now we have the first phase here. I use the black line to represent. After first phase, we will build the green line, the second phase. So basically, the top, so we will reach the top here. We will wait the answer. Maybe, hopefully, my prediction is correct. Or is it possible to have a long wick? Yes. So the top of this phase basically would be the bottom of the phase 3. Okay, so you need to pay attention. You don't miss this chance. So another thing I want to show you is if you miss everything, you miss the bottom, you miss the ceiling wall, you miss another ceiling wall, what is the chance for you to buy? If you have my indicator, it's much easier. Look at the blue line. Basically, Bitcoin will give you you can see when they go back to this blue line and they flash a green candle, they stay above this green candle with the ymchannel, the red above the purple line, basically is one of the buy signal. It means stable and we can go ahead to buy and then you can follow. They give us some few chance, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then there's no chance. Okay, I like to use weekly chart for Bitcoin because it's more accurate. For daily chart, it's too easy to have a full signal. Okay, so let's look at 2015. Is it the same case? Let's say you don't know how to read the market structure, but if you have my indicator, it's much easier. Look at YM cup long for weekly chart for Bitcoin. Okay, And then you see one chance. Okay, the first chance is here. You see they go above the blue line. The second chance, when they go back to this blue line, they flash one candle to stay above the blue line is buy. Let me hide this overbought. Okay, they buy. Compare with this, we pair with this YM cheapest. Okay, so the purple line is going up, the red bar is above this purple line. It means this is a strong trend. Okay, so and then another signal here, another buy signal, and then here, and then after this, basically we don't have any buy signal. You see? So this is a very easy buying strategy. If you have indicator, your life is supposed to be much easier. So you here 1, 2, 3. And here is below this blue, it never go above. Done. And here they have 1, so we can also buy. Okay, so this is a very good buy signal. So if you buy at the bottom, basically you buy at the low point and you're selling around here. So which quite good, right? The profit is huge. This is a very easy strategy. Right now it's really far from the blue line. So with the blue line, basically we buy here, we buy here, you see? And right now we are very far from the blue line. So we need to pull back down. When it gets close to the blue line, we flash a green candle, go above the blue line. And then this is another opportunity for you to buy with a safe point, okay? The blue line is just like a magnet. The price always attract to it somehow. You see, they try to come back to this blue line. They try to come back to this blue line. So this is the strategy. And so today I teach you how to realize this is the bottom. You can use YM cheapest, easy way. Another one is how to see the market structure. What is next? So today I also show you the market structure of this, and we are building the second one here. Okay, so today is my update. I hope you like it, and everyone have if you don't have this indicator, please you can try to subscribe it right now, and I will raise the price later. So do it right now, lock the price, and you can try it, and you can unsubscribe it if you subscribe by month, or you can try by year. And this is a very good indicator, and it can apply for stock as well. But right, this video I only focus on Bitcoin, so you can try it and see how it works. But it is so convenient for you to understand the bottom and the peak. Okay, so I see you in the next video, and everyone have a good day. I see you next time. Bye. Hit like, subscribe, and share with your friend. Bye.